Hey guys, so I am about to clean my car, which means this has to all come out, which isn't going to be fun, but I'm going to do it really quick. So here we go.
The other night, saw you glance your everlasting light. Met your eyes, razor sharp, cut right through the crowd. I don't even want to know your name, I just wanna keep you to myself. Stay with me or leave me be, I want you all too bad. We're strangers in the night. We're in a strange delight. Come with me and you will see we are bound to be strangers in the night. Talk the talk, get me through the maze. Dazzled eyes shining bright, a never-ending space. I don't even want to know your name, I just wanna keep you to myself. Stay with me or leave me be, I want you all too bad. We're strangers in the night. We're in a
The cups. Trash. Gross. Okay, now I can shut the thing. In my bag. You buckled?
Yeah.
Okay. All this stuff here. Half this stuff is. Wow, it's just a mess. Okay, you guys, I have not cleaned this car in, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 months.
In a quarter mile, turn left
So,
on East Cottonwood Lane.
I just emptied the car, as you saw. I'm gonna show you guys a before and after. And yeah, I'm gonna be super happy. There's been coffee spilled in here, milk spilled in here, juice spilled in here.
Turn left onto East Cottonwood Lane.
Anything that you could think of has been spilled in this car. And you wouldn't believe it, just as I was getting the girls in the car, I needed to empty everything out, and as I'm doing that, Bria decides to spill an old, warm teeny
Continue on
juice.
East Cottonwood Lane for 1 mile.
She spilled a teeny juice all over the back seat. And the thing is, I've got this car cleaned before, what, like 2 or 3 times now, and I've only had it for about a year, I think. So, I don't know. 3 times tops, because their dad took them once, I took them, then we went to a new place, then we went to that same place again. So it's been a couple times, but each time I didn't take the car seats out, so they didn't get behind the car seats or under the car seats, or they didn't get the seats at all. Actually, the back was vacuumed, but I was still finding things. And the other thing was that upset me, I can't remember which place I want to go to that I like, but I know the last place I went to, they vacuumed up some of our stuff. So like, I want to go to a car wash that's going to be like, here, I almost vacuumed this up, or, you know, here, I found this under your seat. This place doesn't do that. Like, whatever's in the car is getting vacuumed up, unless it's too big. Unless it's too big to be vacuumed up, then of course it won't be vacuumed up. But yeah, they just like act like they don't even see anything. I don't even think they look. I think they just vacuum and stick the vacuum under the seat.
Take the next right onto Hennis
don't
Road.
even look. So yeah, I don't know. Where is this taking me? I don't know. We're gonna see
Continue
where
on
we
Hennis
end
Road
up.
for 1 mile.
I have no idea where we're going right now. I just said car wash near me, and it was one that I had hearted or starred on my maps. So I don't think I would have starred the place or hearted the place that vacuumed our stuff up. So I'm probably gonna, that's why I'm going to this one, but I don't know where this one is. This is taking me a whole different way than I thought I was going. So anyways, long story short, let me get to some more interesting facts other than this. I agreed to see the girl's dad, so the girls could see him. Does that make
In
sense?
a quarter mile,
I
turn
agreed
left
to
onto
see him
Florence
so the
Boulevard.
girls could see him, yes. So he's gonna be here for my birthday and Halloween, which means we're getting divorced, but we're still together kind of thing. I don't know. My head's spinning, but I'm excited. He's gonna be here tomorrow.
Turn left
At
onto
least
Florence Boulevard.
the girls will be happy. The girls being happy makes me happy. So, you know, as long as they're happy, whatever. I guess I'll get to relax and chill. And that's the thing. Everybody keeps asking me if he's going to stay with us or where's he gonna stay. That's what everybody's asking. Now, I know that it's probably a bad idea to have him stay with us, but it would be easier for me, and it would be easier for the girls, and it would make me and the girls actually happier than if he stayed somewhere else. Because if he stays, let's say at a hotel or something, then that means I have to pack bags, I have to bring toys, I have to, you know, like bring the pack and play, and milk's gonna have to be at the hotel in the fridge, and juice and chocolate syrup and all of that, and then food and snacks are gonna have to be there, and then they're gonna be
Continue on Florence Boulevard for half a mile.
and then their night routine is going to get messed up, amongst other things that's going to get messed up. They're not gonna have their dad there in their own home, you know, enjoying time with their dad. I think it would just be best if it was in their own home where all their stuff is.
Your destination will be on the left.
So yeah, I just think it's a better idea, and it would just be easier for me not to have to like pack all this crap and like have to think really hard about it, if that makes sense. Like, I don't want to have to think hard about this. I just want to relax, you know what I mean? So here we go. Okay, we're at the car wash. So he will be here for Halloween. You guys won't get to see the vlog, the Halloween vlog, my birthday vlog,
Your
or any of
destination
these
is on the left.
vlogs until, what? No, this is not what I want. Why did I heart this place? It's like a do it yourself. Freaking absolutely not. I am not doing it myself. Why did I heart that place? Not doing this myself. Not happening. Just not happening today. Not today. Not any day, but especially not today. I don't even know how much money I have. I should probably check. I don't even know where I'm going. But I'll see you when I get there. Okay guys, so this is how dirty everything is, as you can see here. There's like a layer of dog hair and dust. Then can't remember how dirty the seat is. And the seat's back there. That looks lovely. Lovely, 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 lovely. Yep. It's a disaster, guys. Okay, here he comes.
What did you expect now? That you feel better? A town those simple lies wouldn't cut you down. What do you regret now? Thinking you were clever. Telling those little lies. Lie, lie, baby, won't you lie, lie? Getting enough of this. My love don't come for free. I got enough of you. Ooh, ooh. Thinking that I'ma quit. You gotta keep it real. I got enough of you. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired, trying to put out my fire. You didn't know I'm a liar, and you're a liar, 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 babe. Buy me a river, talking is silver. You know it's been.
Okay guys, so this is taking quite a long time. I have literally sat at this table, at that table, and then there's a table over there that I sat at, where you guys got a different view of things. So I've been waiting quite a long time, and I'm kind of tired of waiting, and I think I'm gonna run out of gas. And they just have my car running, like, while they wax it. So waxing takes forever, but it's good for 6 months, and allegedly they're doing the inside and the outside, so we shall see if my seats are clean this time, and if $85 is worth the car wash. But my car is not there no more. My car is back there, and I just want to go, but I can't. I gotta wait. So that's fun. You guys may not think this is cool because it's really not, but I still smoke occasionally. In here, you can't, in Arizona, you can't like just throw your cigarettes anywhere. So like I get out of the car sometimes and smoke. I know guys, this is really bad, but I get out of the car and smoke, and then there's never anywhere to put the cigarette. And if you litter, you can get like a $200 fine. So I got this little bad boy. It's just an ashtray slash butt bucket that goes in your car. Obviously I don't smoke in my car, but I do have to, sometimes I have nowhere to put it, so yeah. Alright, I'll check in with you guys when the car is clean and I look like crap. Yeah, I know. I know, you didn't have to tell me. I already know. I already know. Thank you though. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the outside. The back still looks pretty bad. Doesn't even really look vacuumed, but they vacuumed it. I am going to scrub this best I can and then see if there's a difference. Okay, so that's kind of the best I could do for now with wipes, with just wipes. But this is all clean. The front, this looks really good. This, I don't know where that came from. I'm not happy about this. Pretty sure it was not there before. And it's black. Really? Oh, so annoying. What is all this shit on my car? Honestly. Okay, so anyways, it's pretty clean for the most part. It's waxed and shiny. But it looks good for the most part. I think it looks good. Looks way better than what it did. So, I just wish I could get these seats cleaned. That would make me happy if there was a car place that actually cleaned the seats. This is the back. Nice and clean as well. They didn't vacuum it the greatest. You can still see like hair. I mean, it's okay. I'm happy. I am very happy. Don't get it twisted. I'm super happy. This is so smooth to the touch, and it's supposed to stay like that. So yeah. I'm gonna put the car seats back and figure out what we're gonna do with the rest of our day. As you can see, this is a true mess right here. This is the mess, the car seat. But I'm gonna put them back in and check in with you guys in a minute. Yep. I know, we're here. We are at the airport, We are at the airport. So we are, what are we doing, Bree?
We're going to pick up my daddy.
Yes, that's what we're doing.
With the sun.
Yeah, we're just looking for a parking spot, aren't we? Ooh, that would have came in handy right there. Now I need a spot, and I don't see any spots, like anywhere. Oh, there's a few. Mama's gonna have to walk nice and far in her boots. Oh my God. And Lorena's passed out. Lorena. Alright. Mama's gonna get out and get the double carriage, and then we're gonna go get their dad. The only thing is, I literally haven't talked to him today. So he's on a plane since like 5 hours ago, and I literally have not spoken with him since, right? So let's just hope that he's actually here.
Yes, friend.
So let's just hope that he's here and got on the plane and arrived safely and all is good, because otherwise we just drove all the way here for nothing. But no, usually I talk to him before he gets on the plane, so I'm a bit confused as to why I haven't spoke with him today. But anyways, we're gonna run in, and I guess we'll catch you when we figure out what we're doing, or the next exciting part of the vlog that I capture. Right?
Yeah.
I look awful. Mama looks terrible today. It's quite okay though. Alright, we're gonna go inside and get Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy.
Alright, you ready to go get Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Whose birthday's tomorrow? Mama's. And what else is tomorrow? Halloween! Halloween!
Candy too.
And candy and cake. You're gonna be sick of chocolate by the time tomorrow's over. You're gonna be sick of it.
Sick.
You're gonna be sick of chocolate.
You mean sick?
No, you're gonna be sick of it.
No, you're like good.
Okay, we'll see you guys in a bit. Say bye.
Bye, friends.
Say bye, Lorena. Say we'll see you when Daddy's in the car. Bye.
Hey.
Bye. Okay, so here we are, waiting for Daddy as I get choked up. Okay, we're waiting at the gate for Daddy. You see Daddy? I see a lot of people coming. I think he's gonna come.